Hello there friends, Danny here from Danny's Dreams, and today I have a coloring video for you. Recently I did a poll in my community tab asking what people like to watch, and coloring videos got 0 votes. I was really bummed and disappointed, but then a friend pointed out and reminded me to just do what I love. So that's what I'm doing. I love to color. I'm not an expert. I don't worry about shadows or the perfect placement of colors. I color because I love to see the image come to life. It's like my own version of magic. Hopefully a little spark of that magic will come through for you as you watch. Today I'm coloring up Life is a Journey from Kraftin Kimmie Stamps. At the time of this video airing, this stamp is part of the Inspirational Wednesday for Kraftin Kimmie Stamps and is on sale for 40% off. So run to the shop and grab it up. Everything is linked in the description box below. I also have included all of the Copic markers, the colors that I used, because I'm not always I don't do very good sometimes about putting the caps where you can see them, and when it's sped up, it's hard, I know that. And then I also am doing what I love, and I love to add Prismacolor pencils to the end result of my coloring. So those colors are listed in the description box as also. I plan to do a lot more coloring videos. I plan to do a lot more card shares. You'll have your choice. You can watch all of them or just the Saturday showcase. I'm just going to do what I love. And I thank that friend so much for saying that to me because I needed to hear it. So maybe you do too. Go do what you love. I'll put some music on for the rest of the video, and thanks for stopping by. I hope that you will click the thumbs up if you like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Have an amazing day.